English subject and topic name is this and that. हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में this and that ये वाली पोएम स्टडी की, उसके हर वर्ड्स रीड करेंगे. ओके, so now let's start. Here N-E-A-R, here N-E-A-R, here me, M-E, me, N-M-E, me, that, T-H-A, that, T-H-A, that, this, T-H-R-S, this, T-H-R-S, this, far, F-A-R, far, F-A-R, far. Far, F-A-R, far, my, M-Y, my, M-Y, my, spoon, S-P-O-O-N, spoon, S-P-O-O-N, spoon, moon, M-O-O-N, moon, M-O-O-N, moon, bun, B-U-N, bun, B-U-N, bun, sun, S-U-N, sun, S-U-N, sun. Next is something, S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G, something, S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G, something. Say, S-A-Y, say, S-A-Y, say. When, W-H-E-N, when, W-H-E-N, when. Point, P-O-I-N-T, point, P-O-I-N-T, point. Out, O-U-T, out, O-U-T, out. Book, B-O-O-K, book, B-O-O-K, book. Pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Tree, T-R-E-E, tree, T-R-E-E, tree. अभी आपको ये वाले पोएम के वर्ड्स आपके इंग्लिश की नोटबुक में राइट डाउन करने हैं एंड लर्न करना है.